KMYD is a manufacturer of connectors and cable solutions. We combine engineering, production, and global supply. Our team develops OEM and ODM solutions based on real application needs. With advanced equipment and controlled processes, we ensure precision in every component. Consistency and reliability are built into each step. Our production system supports stable output and efficient delivery. From materials to assembly, quality is managed throughout. Our products include waterproof connectors, circular and aviation connectors, M8 and M12 connectors, as well as customized cable assemblies. Our products meet international standards and are trusted by customers worldwide. Reliable connections built to last.